Welcome to Learn About Law. My name is Kevin O'Flaherty from O'Flaherty Law. Today we're going to talk about what to expect from an initial consultation with an attorney. And we'll try to take away some of the intimidation factor, because I know this can be a little bit intimidating, by telling you what the process is at our firm and eliminating some of the unknowns for you. So if you want to schedule a consultation with our firm, you can call or email us and you'll be put in touch with our receptionist. And our receptionist, their first job is to find out if the type of matter that you have is something that we can handle in-house or something that we don't really have experience with. And if we don't have experience with it, then we will refer you to an attorney who can help you. It's very rare that someone will call that we can't help at all. We'll either, again, handle it with our attorneys or usually schedule a time for you to speak to somebody that's a referral partner of ours that we trust that will do a good job for you. So if we can help you, the next step is to schedule a time to speak over the phone or in person at one of our several locations with the attorney at our firm that has the best experience to put you in the best position to succeed with your legal goals. So like I said, we have a lot of locations, but often it's most convenient for people just to have a quick phone conversation with that person. And we can usually get something on the books between 1 day and 1 week from the time you call. It usually doesn't go a whole lot longer than that, and if it does, then I've got a problem with it. So once you're actually in the consultation, there's two types of consultation. Free consultations, which are the majority of consultations, and paid consultations. Usually the only time we do a paid consultation is when the nature of the person's question is such that it's basically they're just looking for specific legal advice on an issue that can be answered in the consultation, and after the consultation, the representation is over. So for those types of things, we'll charge a small fee for the attorney's time and finding out about your case and then giving you an answer on the spot. And that can be done over the phone or in person. If it's something that is going to be an ongoing relationship, that's usually a free consultation. And while you can get some general legal answers as part of the consultation, the purpose of that consultation is not to get legal advice. Attorneys will not give legal advice about your specific case, usually unless and until they've been retained, and there's all sorts of reasons for that. But the purpose of the consultation, rather than getting legal advice, is to determine whether the attorney you're speaking to is the right fit for you. And there's a couple things to think about. One, do they have the experience necessary to handle your particular case? And feel free to ask them about that. And it's almost like a job interview. Find out what they've done that's similar to what you're asking them to do and make sure that they have the appropriate experience. Two is to make sure that it's a good personality fit. Me personally, I don't enjoy it when attorneys speak in legalese and ivory tower terms. I like it. I prefer attorneys to be down to earth, and those are the attorneys that I try to hire. But that's definitely a personal choice with the particular client. You want to make sure the attorney is someone who's going to be honest with you about the chance of success in achieving whatever goal you're trying to achieve, and also with the expenses that are going to be associated with that. So you don't want someone that's going to blow sunshine at you. You want someone that's going to be realistic with you and really not take the case if it's something that's not likely to succeed. So once you've decided that, hey, I like this attorney, I think I can trust them, I like their personality, they're being realistic with me, the next thing you want to find out is, again, what are your chances of success? Do you have a good chance of achieving whatever goal you're trying to achieve? And the attorney will get some information from you about what your goals are and what the basic facts of the case are in order to give you that information. And two, what are the next steps going to cost? If you've got a big litigation case, the attorney may not be able to give you an exact, I'll say they won't be able to give you an exact cost for what your whole case is going to cost. But they can give you a range, and they can definitely tell you what the next couple steps are, what the likelihood of success of those steps being is, and what those steps are going to cost. So you walk out of the consultation knowing whether you feel good about the attorney and what your prospects of success are, what the cost is going to be. A lot of times people will need some time to chew on that to decide whether they want to move forward on whatever their legal matter is. A lot of times people are ready to sign up on the spot and move forward. So if you're ready to move forward on the spot, the next thing you'll do is speak to our office manager, whether, again, over the phone or in person, And our office manager will work out some of the logistics. Have you signed a retention agreement? If a retainer is required, they'll take care of payment of the retainer and explain how retainers work. And I won't go into that here, but that's, it's not a flat fee. It's not a fee paid to us. It's something that's held in our trust account for your benefit. And then just kind of go over communication, because it's a very intimate relationship between an attorney and a client.
Thanks so much for watching our video. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Click the subscribe button for new videos every week, and download and review us on iTunes. Visit learn-about-law.com for other legal-related articles and videos. Visit our business podcast and video blog, seizeyourbusiness.com, and visit Making Real Estate Fun for real estate videos and podcasts. Call us at 630-324-6666 for a free consultation.